You're all by yourself and you need to put up a piece of fascia trim. We use the block method here. Block here, block here. Let's see if this is actually going to work or if I need to erase this video for good. Come on. Come on. I mean, I guess I could have put that block a little further out, but look, I'm there. I'm going to nail it. I'm going to put one nail in it. And I'm going to put one nail right here. And one nail right here. Okay, let me look at it. It's a little proud though, but I guess that's okay though, because this actually dies in. So I think I agree with you, we're golden. I'd rather be proud, you know what I mean? So guys, that's how you install a piece of trim when you're all by yourself.